very pretty stitch. I don't know what it's called. I'll ask Anna to name it. So very, very nice. And I'm using number 4 worsted yarn and number 8 US needles, which is the same as 5 millimeters. So use the needles that the yarn calls for. So this stitch is a multiple of 6 plus 3 plus 2. So that means I have 6 times 4 plus 3 plus 2 is 29. So on this stitch, the even number rows are the right side and the odd number rows are the wrong side. So please make the base row as knit, and we'll call it base row or number 0. And then we're going to start with number 1. Make believe I just casted on my stitches and did my base row. So, and it's done only once, only at the beginning. So row number 1, you're going to knit 1, which is the edge stitch, and then pass 3 stitches purl-wise, 1, 2, 3, nice and even, because you don't want to pull at this yarn. And then knit 3, 1, 2, and 3. So we do that again, pass 3 purl-wise and knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Again, pass 3 purl-wise and knit 3, 1, 2, 3, pass 3 purl-wise and knit 3, 1, 2, 3, and the last 4 you're going to pass 3 purl-wise and knit the last one. Okay, row number 2, you're going to purl 1 and pass 3 purl-wise, 1, 2, 3, and then purl 3, 1, so you don't want to pull at your yarn, 2, 3, and pass 3, purl 3, and pass 3 purl-wise, purl 3, and pass 3, purl 3, and pass 3, and then the last one you purl. Okay, so row number 3, you're going to purl the whole row, and I'll see you when I finish this one. Okay, so I finished row number 3, which was a purl. I already did number 4, which was a knit, and I did number 5, which was a purl. So let's do row number 6. You are going to knit the edge stitch and then knit 1, and then go under the 2 strands that you made right there and knit them together with the next stitch. So bring your needle under the 2 strands and then take it off. So knit 3, 1, no, knit 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's do that again. Bring your needle under the 2 strands, pick up the next stitch and knit the 3 together, the 3 strands. That means the stitch and the 2 strands there. Take the stitch off and knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, you go under the 2 strands, pick up the next stitch, knit it, bring your needle underneath the 2 strands and take it off, and knit the next 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring your needle under the 2 strands, knit that stitch, bring your needle under the 2 strands, take that stitch off and knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then again bring your needle under the 2 strands, knit the next stitch, bring your needle under the 2 strands, take it off and knit 1, and then knit the edge 1. Okay, so row number 7, you're going to knit 1 for the edge, and then knit 3, 1, 2, 3, and pass 3 as if to purl. 1, 2, 3, because we want them alternated. So again, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, and pass 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, and pass 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, and pass 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, and knit the edge 1. Okay, so row number 8, you purl 1 and then purl the next 3, 1, 2, 3, and then pass 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, and pass 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, and pass the next 3, purl 3, and pass the next 3 as up to purl, and purl 3 and purl the last stitch. So row number 9, you're going to purl. Row number 10, you knit, and row number 11, you purl. I already did that. And row number 12, you're going to knit the edge stitch, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're going to go under and pick up those 2 strands and knit them together with that stitch. Bring your needle under the 2 strands and take that stitch off. Now knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's do that again. Bring your needle underneath the 2 strands, knit them together with that stitch. Bring your needle under and take the stitch off and knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, bring your needle from under the 2 strands, pick them up and knit them together with that stitch and knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then bring your needle, pick up the 2 strands, knit them together with that stitch and knit 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the edge one. And that's it. You repeat these 12 rows and it looks very, very pretty. You might want to do like ribbing underneath and up here, or maybe just garter stitch just to be able to frame it so that it's nice and sturdy. And thank you for watching. Share us with your friends and like our page and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.